By the end of this video, you will know how to add a scheduling link to your HoneyBook proposal. Start by logging in to your HoneyBook account. Once you are in, open the project where you want to create the proposal. This takes you into the workspace tied to that client or job, which is where the proposal will be built. From inside the project, click Create File, then choose Proposal. That opens the proposal setup flow so you can decide what content to include. At this point, HoneyBook will show you the available pages for the proposal. Select the pages you want to include based on the information you plan to send. This can include your standard proposal content along with the booking option you want the client to see. When you are choosing pages, make sure to include the scheduler or booking page. Once that page is selected, click Add Pages. This places the scheduler into the proposal so the client can move from reviewing the proposal to choosing a time from inside the same file. After the scheduler page is added, look for the Select a Session panel. Here, choose the scheduling session you want to include. If the session you need is already set up, select it from the list. If not, click Create a Session and add a new one before continuing. The important detail here is to attach the correct session, since that determines what the client can book from the proposal. With the session selected, move on to customizing the scheduler page and the rest of the proposal as needed. Adjust the layout and content based on how you want the proposal to appear. If you are updating other proposal pages at the same time, this is the moment to make those changes so everything is ready before sending. Next, preview the proposal. This step is there to confirm that the scheduling page displays correctly inside the proposal and that the booking section appears where you expect it to. As you review the preview, check that the selected session is showing properly and that the page fits cleanly with the rest of the proposal. Once everything looks correct, click Share to send the proposal to your client. Sharing from this screen sends the proposal with the scheduling link included, so the client can review the proposal and book through the session you added. If you created a new session during setup, it is worth taking a final glance before sending to make sure that new session is the one connected to the scheduler page. After that, you can complete the share step and send it out from HoneyBook. Your HoneyBook proposal now includes a scheduling link and is ready to send to your client.